Let me show you on this video Hostinger's mobile website editor. Now in this case, you can edit desktop view and mobile view without affecting one or the other. This is a great idea because you want to make mobile view a little bit more compact and more appealing to the eye for mobile viewers. So let me show you how Hostinger does this right now. What's up, SaaS Masters? I'm going to show you how to edit this website on desktop view and mobile view using Hostinger's AI website builder. Now, this is the main panel, but before I show you how to do it, I'm going to show you the sponsor for this video, which is Hostinger. They have a great affordable pricing for shared hosting. So if you need a shared hosting, I do recommend that you check them out. Now, jump over to hosting plans, go to web hosting, and this is where you find the shared hosting plans. Now, I'm going to show you this main plan, which is the most popular one. I'm going to add it to cart. And the reason I want to show you this is because I have an extra discount coupon code that I want to show you. Now, once you're here, you have to select the amount of months that you want to pay in advance. I recommend 48 months. You get the lowest price, plus you also get the lowest renewal price, plus you're good to go for 48 months. Now, right now, the price is $167, but if you use my coupon code, which is SaaS Master, go ahead and apply it, and the price drops to $150 with 77 cents. So don't forget to use the coupon code. Now, for the editor view of mobile and desktop, once you're in the panel, jump into websites, and in websites, you're gonna create or migrate a website. So let's click on this one, select your shared hosting plan. In this case, I'm gonna select this one. I'm gonna select the plan. You're gonna start now, and we're gonna select the create a new website. And in website, you have two options, WordPress with AI and Hostinger's Builder with AI. This is what I want to show you. So let's go ahead and select it. And for now, I'm not going to select one of the domains I have on Hostinger. In this case, I'm going to use a random domain that they provide, and then I can lock it into one of the domains I have. So once I do this, it's going to start with the website builder editor. So let's give it a few seconds. Here we go. We're going to get started with the AI process. So let's start creating. I'm going to name my brand. I'll just say Coffee Corp. Website type. It's going to be a landing page. And I'm going to give it a quick description. Okay, so I just wrote my quick description. Let's go ahead and create the website. Here we go. Our website is now ready, written with AI. So it now has images based on my description and what it has to do about it. So it's giving me text and images that have to do with this. Okay. Now the idea is to edit the desktop view and the mobile view. So take a quick look at the desktop view. Okay, let's go now into mobile view. So in this case, you're going to see that it's a little bit long. Some of these have a little bit of too much margin for mobile view. So in this case, I'm going to make some changes on mobile view. So for example, I'm going to move this up a little bit more, and we're going to move this button to the right just for a quick example. And we're going to change a little bit something here. So let's move this image up also, and we're going to shorten this so it's not as long. Here we go. And let's go back into mobile view. So in mobile view, nothing has been changed. Everything's here. The button's still centered. The images are still in the same place, but on mobile view, we have a different view. Now, let's go ahead and preview this to show you that this does take effect. So this is the mobile view. You can see the buttons move to the right. It's a little bit shorter, less margins on this website for mobile view. But if I go back to desktop on the view, you can see it's normal. Nothing has been changed. Everything's fine there. So it's going to be different, mobile view and desktop view. So I'll go back into editor. Again, I'll go back into desktop and I can make changes that will not affect mobile view. So again, I'll move this right here. I'll move this a little bit more to the top. And this is just for playing around, just to show you the concept of this. And let's go back into mobile view. And everything's the same. We have the same layout as we did before, but it's not affecting the desktop view or the mobile view. So it could be independent. It doesn't have to be the same elements in the same place. It could be changed. I can add some elements here. And if I want to add something there, I can do so. And then start editing the desktop view and the mobile view here. So once you're good to go and you like what you've created on desktop and mobile view, go ahead and go live. And if you haven't connected the domain, go ahead and do so by locking in the domain that you have on Hostinger. So it's super easy to start editing your website on desktop view and mobile view with Hostinger's website AI builder. So there you go. It's a quick video on how to do this. So if you want to do it for yourself, go ahead and try it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code for the Hostinger discount. And that's a wrap.